So I'm going to show you how to insert your scleral lenses. They're the large diameter hard lenses. The first thing you want to do is you want to just inspect them, make sure that there's no dust, no dirt, no chips or cracks, anything that would interfere with you putting the contact lens on your eye comfortably. I'm going to show you two ways to do the insertion. You can use the plunger or you can use the tripod method. I'm going to show you the tripod method first. You just get your first 3 fingers, hold them together, and put the contact lens in the middle of all 3 fingers. You're going to take your Lacquer Pure saline solution. This is a non-preservative saline solution. This is only what you're going to use for inserting your lenses. So you're going to fill up the contact lens with this solution until it's about to overflow. You can't use too much. What you're going to do is using your ring finger or your pinky finger, whatever is most comfortable, you're going to pull down your bottom lid. Your non-dominant hand is going to pull up the top lid, and you're going to just insert the lens. You want to make sure your face is nice and flat, so that way you're not tilting the lens at all. You're going to grab the bottom lid, grab the top lid, and you're going to look directly into the contact lens. And just placing the contact lens right on the eye. Other way is with the plunger. You're going to just put the contact lens directly on the middle of the plunger. Fill up the contact lens with your solution. And then this time I like to hold the plunger from underneath. Using my middle finger, I'm going to pull down the bottom lid, and then non-dominant hand will go up top again. Look directly into the contact lens. And just add a little bit of pressure to put the contact onto your eye. And that's it.